Iman Gadzhi is one of the most recognized business creators on YouTube, and it's not just his content. His thumbnails are clean, bold, and insanely clickable. Today, I'll show you, step by step, how to remake one of his best thumbnails from scratch. Stick with me till the end, because I've included a PSD file with all the assets so you can design along with me. You'll find the download link in the description. First, I generated a base image using AI on ImageFX. I asked ChatGPT for a prompt similar to one of Iman Gadzhi's thumbnails. The result wasn't perfect, but that's fine. We'll improve it as we go. Next, I created a quick sketch to understand the psychology behind the thumbnail and make the design process smoother later on. From there, I imported the AI image into Photoshop and started cleaning it up by removing unnecessary elements. Then, I split the photo into two halves. On the right, we'll have a happy, energetic version of the person. On the left, a tired and sad version. I enlarged the image in the center to make everything line up, then separated both sides for editing. For the happy side, I selected the subject on the right, darkened the background using an exposure layer, and masked out details like the pillow so it wouldn't get affected. Then, I applied Camera Raw filter to make the person look brighter, sharper, and more full of energy. After that, I repeated the same process on the left side, but with the opposite effect. I selected the subject, darkened the background, masked the pillow, and then used Camera Raw filter to make the person look tired, dull, and unhappy. Once both sides were ready, I added a bold dividing line in the middle to separate the two emotions, happy versus sad. Now it was time for lighting. I created a hue and saturation layer, added a green color, set the blend mode to screen, and lightly brushed it on the right side. Then, I did the same on the left, but with a red tone for a more negative mood. Finally, I painted in some soft shadows behind the subject to make the character pop even more. Once you reach this stage, you can add any extra elements you want on both sides. For example, on the left side, I added a low battery icon to represent tiredness and lack of energy. On the right side, I placed a full battery icon to represent power, motivation, and productivity, just like Iman Gadzhi did in his design. Of course, you can get creative. You might add addictive apps on the left side and productive apps on the right. It's all about the story you want your thumbnail to tell. And that's it. Congratulations. You just designed a thumbnail in the style of Iman Gadzhi in less than 4 minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me keep making more tutorials for you. Also, leave a comment below if there's a YouTuber you'd like me to break down and recreate a thumbnail for in the next video. And one more thing. If you're a content creator and you want custom thumbnails that boost your CTR and get you more views, reach out to me on Instagram or Discord. You'll find the links in the description. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.